TechOWL Sensory Kit. TechOWL is Pennsylvania State's Assistive Technology Act program. At TechOWL, we have an AT lending library for all Pennsylvanians. In the lending library, we offer a sensory kit, which is organized to be a large sampler of different sensory activating toys, gadgets, and devices to help stimulate and focus individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Some devices that are included in this kit use LED lights, have different colors and shapes, have different sounds and textures, and also cancel out sounds. To learn more about the technology we have in our lending library, check out our website at techowlpa.org. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. Links in the description below.